Welcome to lesson 3 of the Good Witch. We're going to make a few changes, improvements to the pterodactyl. So I open lesson 2 and I click see inside, and then I do file, save as a copy, and it makes it lesson 2 copy, and I'm going to call it lesson 3. And I'm going to do file, save now. Now you remember we left off and the pterodactyl goes down to the bottom and then he's stuck. So I'm going to go to the pterodactyl sprite and then I'm going to grab a forever block and I'm going to drop it and I want everything to be inside the forever. So this block, when I receive start, it will just repeatedly go to the bottom, and when it gets to the bottom, it'll go to the top again. Okay, so if I hit B, the bird, that's fine. And then just to make sure that he's pointed toward the bottom more often, I'm going to, after the point toward the ball, get this turn counterclockwise. It's turning in the direction that the clock turns. And now if I hit B, maybe I have to hit start and hit B. Yeah, he's flying down to the bottom now. Okay, all right, so this is good. All right, now I have a sound, but I put it in the witch. It's called pterodactyl. So I want to put my mouse on the sound and hit the left button and drag it. It didn't work. Let's go up. All right, let's try it one more time. See how it wiggled? See how this thing wiggled when I put the bird under the sound on top of it. Now the pterodactyl is in the bird sprite file. So now I'm going to go back to my code, make sure I'm in the pterodactyl, and I'm going to create a variable, and I'm going to call it previous y, and I'm going to make it for this sprite only. And then I need to find the block where he's wiggling, and just before the wait, I'm going to say set previous y to y position. And then, well, let's go first to control. I need an if block. And this kind of got detached. And it's important that the set previous Y goes before the wait and the if block goes after the wait. It doesn't matter whether this, uh, where this is. I probably want to move this up here and stop it. So I have forever next costume. Uh, then he's going to wiggle. He's going to turn a little bit. And then I have to put something inside the if, and I'm going to need an and block. You got to be careful because if you drag this off, and everything goes away and you lose everything. So inside the and block, I need two things. I want to say control. Actually, I want to go to variables. And if I say previous y is less than 50, and I can uncheck this, and y position is greater than 50, and then I go to sounds, and I'm going to say start sound pterodactyl. Okay, let's go up and make sure I save this. And now I think I have everything I need for the bird. So I hit the B key, which starts. Okay, so that should finish off my code for the pterodactyl. So I'm going to stop here, and everything that you need is here. There are two things. So let's put this on top of this. All right, so you've got, and if I right click and I say clean up the blocks, it puts them so they're not on top of each other. So the first thing that I did, and you can pause the video, I put a forever block around the code. This code here. So I put a forever block around this code, so it makes it when he gets to the bottom, he goes back up to the top, and then this block where he changes costumes and he wiggles back and forth, I put this code where I set the previous Y to Y, and then I, after 0.15 seconds, he should have moved down. When he crosses the 50-yard line, um, he's going to start the sound. So I'm going to stop this now, and then we have one more lesson to finish off the project. I'll see you in the next lesson.